Struggling to get your kids to clean their room? You are not alone with this. But here's the good news. Getting your child to clean up doesn't have to be a battle. In fact, it can be fun. Every parent knows the battle. The overflowing toy bins, the clothes strewn everywhere. It's a universal struggle, but it doesn't have to be. Transform cleaning into an adventure. Set a timer and race to beat the clock. Or turn it into a, quote, treasure hunt for misplaced items. Kids are mini-me's. If they see you keeping your own space tidy, they're more likely to follow suit. Make tidying a family affair. Turn cleaning into a game. Kids love challenges. Try saying, let's see how fast you can put 5 toys in the basket. Or, can the dinosaurs march back into their box before the song ends? Turning it playful makes cleaning feel less like a chore and more like playtime. Assign a home for every item. Label bins, use clear containers, and make sure things are easy for little hands to put away. When everything has a place, cleanup is simple. When they've made an effort, even a small one, acknowledge it. A simple, great job putting your blocks away, or a high five, goes a long way in building their confidence. Establishing a routine is crucial. Whether it's 10 minutes before bedtime or before dinner, consistent daily tidying prevents monumental messes. By implementing these tips, you're not just getting a cleaner room, you're empowering your kids with responsibility and valuable life skills. So next time the room looks like a storm rolled through, remember, play a game, add some music, and cheer them on. And if you'd like a ready-made tool, check out our fun cleanup video for kids. It's designed to keep little ones engaged while learning this important habit. They'll sing along and join in without even realizing they're cleaning. Because a tidy room isn't just about clean floors. It's about teaching responsibility in a fun, magical way. If you found this tip helpful, hit subscribe for more simple parenting strategies, fun songs, and kid-friendly videos that make your life easier.